Good morning viewers. So today I'll be starting my vlog from this beautiful place near my house which is Kalangut beach. So आज की ब्लॉग की शुरुआत करेंगे हम इस बेहतरीन बीच से जो कि मेरे फ्लैट से बस थोड़ी ही दूरी पे है. So during the monsoon the sea very much look like this. That is not that it turned out to be very rough. That's very look like devastating. लहर काफ़ी ऊपर उठती हैं इस मौसम में जो कि मानसून का मौसम है फ्रॉम जून टू ऑलमोस्ट सितंबर. So and that's why during monsoon the tourism is not that on a high, and also because this time it's the COVID-19 pandemic, so there were too many reasons for tourism not on a high mood this time. But all those during those normal years, monsoon is the reason for the less number of tourists. But in the past many years, monsoon is becoming a new trend of visiting Goa for many Indian tourists. They love to see Goa this way, greenery, water everywhere, rough sea. But definitely it is not advisable to go very close to the sea or to the water because it's not safe. There's high tides many times. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग नहीं हैं, कुछ लोकल हैं अपने छाते के साथ because it's raining here and you can see me wet. So I will not spend more time here, but आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ही कम लोग. In fact this side so there is nobody, which is the Fort Aguada side. That's the cliff there in the hay. You can see it's at Fort Aguada, and this way is the Baga Kalangut. So not many people. अभी बारिश बहुत ज़ोरों से होने लगी थी, and you can see us. We just got a shade. हम छुप गए, and our bike is here. तो बारिश बहुत ज़ोरों से होने लगी थी. In fact we were on the beach that time. हम उस टाइम बीच पे ही थे, and हमने डिसाइड किया that we will just run to our flat, but then it was too strong, that too heavy rain that हमें इधर रुकना पड़ा. But it's again okay, it's just drizzling, so if possible we will go back to the beach again. But I want to show you a lot today from the Kalangut beach, that what is the current status of the beaches. And there you can see a poi bread seller. So in Goa they sell this very famous poi bread like this, and most of the Goan early in the morning buy this poi bread. Let me talk to you about the beaches, about the tourists, about when to come, how to come, is that the right time to come. So let's head there. So abhi we are at the holidays जो गौरव वडो कालंगुट को कालंगुट के one of the beaches से जोड़ता है. And I told you in earlier blogs also there are many hotels, many fantastic restaurants. कुछ गोवा के top restaurants भी हैं यहाँ पे, and there are many places to stay in Goa, and in a very close proximity with the main beaches of the Goa. So this, when you take a turn from here, a right turn, आप लोग सीधा उस बीच पे पहुँचोगे जहाँ से अभी हमने आपको ब्लॉग दिखाया था. and there is many good 5-star hotels also. So there's a very important road or a important street in Kalangut. You will find many handicraft shops and many things. So हम फिर से वापस आए हैं because the rain stops and we were not even half of the way. So हम अभी बीच पे वापस लौट के आ गए. So I was talking to you about many things, about the number of tourists कितने आए हैं अभी, और पानी कैसा है समंदर का, जो कि बहुत रफ़ है इस टाइम just because of the monsoon. और मैंने पहले ही बताया, आप यहाँ से the one end which is the Kandalim end, the Fort Aguada end, and the other end which is the Baga Anjuna end. So this whole stretch is such beautifully placed that एक तरफ उधर क्लिफ है अंजुना का और एक तरफ इधर क्लिफ है फोर्ट अगुआडा का, और ये बीच में एक सी शेप्ड स्ट्रेच है which is the most famous stretch I would say in India from Baga to Candolim, and the many of the tourists who heads to Goa और सबसे पहले कोशिश करते हैं कि they come to Baga or Kalangut, and if they're here they visit Candolim too. So एक दिन मैंने सोचा है आप लोगों के लिए मैं फोर्ट अगुआडा का एक छोटा सा ब्लॉग करूँगा. It will not just be a dumb blog, but I will tell you many things about that fort, how important that fort was, वो कभी बनाया, किसने बनाया, and what was the importance, why this fort was made at this particular place. Reason behind is very interesting, और मैं उस रीज़न को आपको अपने उस ब्लॉग में डिस्क्लोज़ करने वाला हूँ. और who was a ruler then, and many things. You'll be just feel amazed to watch that vlog, because I would say अभी तक किसी ने भी किसी भी ब्लॉगर या फिर किसी भी क्रिएटर ने कुछ ऐसा ब्लॉग नहीं किया जो कि इस लेवल का इंफॉर्मेटिव होगा. बट आई विल डेफिनेटली डू दिस एंड आई विल मेक इट nice, little more interesting. I will show you the features, the fort, the water, the river, and many things. So let's hope to blog come out very soon so that you all can know about that thing. So that's the park Kalangut I was talking about. अंशुस ने कौवे को पकड़ लिया था ना?
हाँ।
देखा तुमने?
अभी आगे फाइटिंग चल रही थी, देखो?
हाँ,
बेचारा वो हार गया. अपने आप ही आएगा. अरे यार बड़ा किस्मत ही खराब है.
लेट्स गो आरव. सो आज के लिए बस इतना ही, एंड होप करता हूँ यू विल लाइक दिस ब्लॉग टुडे, अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल scenic blog. And
bye guys.
He is Ansu. He is saying bye to everyone, and he is trying to push my bike, make it fall down. So having said this, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Everything will be normal. You will be definitely be in Goa in some time. So wait for the time, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please show some love. Share the videos if you like, press like button, and if you're for the first time on my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and I'll guarantee you the best daily vlogs possible from the most beautiful place, which is Goa. Take care.